loves, how are you? Happy Wednesday. So I'm off to my prenatal class. I don't care for mornings, but this is it. Hi, my love. Baby Munchie says hello. Ooh, look, just look. How am I supposed to push this baby out? Oh my God. So anyway, this is my day, darlings. We're off to prenatal and you guys can come with me. Guys, baby's heartbeat. Oh my God. He's so strong. Wow. That's his face. He looks like Ula. Oh my God. Hello, darling. Mommy loves you so much. Oh. So, what do you think?
I think he's a perfect baby.
I think so too.
Absolutely perfect. Look at the heart.
Look at that. Wow, so strong.
That's baby's thigh bone here.
Yes, I can see him.
I reckon this baby's going to be tall. Now let's measure.
The father is 6'5".
This child will have to get used to some of us being all the cyber aunties.
Yes. You being number one.
He's going to be the most loved child in the world, I tell you.
Wow.
Yeah, he's tall.
He's tall. Yeah, he's a long child.
Yeah.
I suspected as such.
Yeah.
That's it.
He's tall. He's moving a bit now.
Yes. Oh, I'm so happy. He's head down.
Head down now.
So, do you think he could come early? Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are passing by for the very first time, welcome. Welcome to Fumi Land, to Fumi Stars, to Fumi Nation. These are all the names that I have gotten from you, my darling sisters. Thank you for the love, for the support, and to show more love and to show more support. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification button, to follow my beautiful, gorgeous niece at KRAFTY Unicorn. I'm going to put it right here. Today's episode is going to be what is in my maternity bag. A lot of you might know by now that I am 8 months pregnant. 32 weeks. So I'm in my third trimester, and some of you might know that I'm going to have a beautiful, gorgeous little baby boy. Yes. Yes. I am so excited. I cannot wait for him to show up. My little love, little munchkin. So let me give you a little story time. About a week ago, I went to Marks and Spencer. I wanted to exchange a shirt for my nephew. When I got in, for the first time in my entire pregnancy, let me let you guys know, fantastic, very fluid, very simple, no nothing really. I got in and I started to feel terribly dizzy. As a matter of fact, my hair started spinning. So I looked for a place where I could sit down. Sorry if I'm breathing. Everything is right up here now. So, you know, I kind of like breathe heavily now. So I went to go and sit down and I said, let me just be calm. And a woman came and she said, oh, do you need some water? Because she could see I was pregnant. I said, yes, I would love some still water, please. By the time she came back, I was experiencing my first bout of Braxton Hicks. It came forward, it squeezed, it let go. I was like, what? I said, what? I said, wait. Ula was out of town. Family nowhere around. Sister on vacation. Brother was in town, but he had gone out. And I just sat there and I said, Fumi, you're gonna have to be calm because I don't want to bring stress to baby Munch. And I said, baby Munch, I suppose you want to come now. Mommy's here. We're gonna do it together. Right on the shop floor.
You have to say you didn't know it was Braxton Hicks.
Yes. Right on the shop floor of Marks and Spencer. I did not know it was Braxton Hicks. I just thought I was going into labor early. And I don't know, I wasn't scared, but I was very nervous because I was like, sugar, What about epidural? I'm going to have to push this baby out with no drugs. Needless to say, the ambulance came and they kept on saying, where do you live? And I didn't know where I lived. I was out. I didn't know where I lived. I just kept on saying, I'm 8 months pregnant. I'm 8 months pregnant. I think I'm going to have the baby now. It worked out okay. They checked me out. I was fine. And they brought me home. And I realized, Fumi, you don't have your maternity bag ready for you and baby Munchie. So this is why we're going to have this episode. It is terribly necessary. So that if anything happens like this again, my bag is ready and I'm good to go. So we're going to run down the list. I have some of the stuff here already and some of the stuff I'm gonna get this week. First up, slippers. Have to be fabulous to some extent in the hospital. I don't know how long I'm going to be there, so I want to be comfortable. So what we have, slippers, voila. Then of course we're going to have a nightie. I'm going to get a beautiful nightie and I'm going to get a gown to match. I'm going to have a dress. Yes, the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate, has shown me how to do it. So I'm going to have a dress that I wear going home, something loose, A-line, simple. Yeah, I'm also going to have a kaftan that I can wear during the day. The nighties will be in the evening, kaftans will be during the day when I have to sit up and I'm looking at baby Munch, I'm breastfeeding him, you know, whatever. I'm gonna have a coat because it's October. It's October that I am due and it's a little bit colder in London, so I'm taking my coat and then I'm gonna take some clothes for baby. So let me show you what I have because of course we bought so many things for him. So look, so it's a little onesie and look at his legs. Your stomach will be out, and then we have little trousers for him too. Okay, Ula is half Scottish, so we've got little Scottish little footsies as well. Then I have little blue footsies for him too. Here we have also, you know, come play in the park, little onesie. So I'm gonna bring a whole bunch of things for him. I'm also going to bring a rolling pin. I'm not bringing too many bags. The only bag I'm bringing will be like my Louis, my very full Louis. I'm going to bring that and I'm going to have my makeup. I'm going to put that in there. I'm also going to have my camera. I'm going to have my phone. I'm going to have my charger. I might bring my computer. I'm not too sure. I think I'll bring it, but I don't know if I will open it or use it, but I'm going to bring it. I am not going to film inside the delivery room. That's going to be private for myself and Ula, but afterwards we're going to have friends, we're going to have family come in, and of course we'll film all of that, and of course baby Munchie's first moments, we'll have that, you know, pictures to give to family and as well as film, and I'll do like a little vlog of course further down. Yeah, okay. Then I'm gonna have hand cream, gonna have cocoa butter, gonna have Vaseline, going to have different oils. I'm going to have some for me and I'm going to have some for baby Munch, non-scented. He's just brand new. I don't want to have any fragrance on him or anything, so everything will be fragrance free. I'm taking a breast pump. I am not trying to lose any milk. I am trying to make sure that as I feed him, I have another bottle ready for him. This is what you guys have told me. You're like, for me, start to breast pump so that, you know, because he'll be waking every couple of hours and your milk, you know, it might not come out as much, whatever. So make sure that you have a breast pump so that you can feed your baby. So I'm going to have the breast pump plus milk bottles. I'm not sure yet what brand. I'm sure I'm going to get a whole bunch of stuff because I'm going to get stuff from my baby shower. So we'll see. But for sure, I'll have a breast pump and I'll have milk bottles. Baby pacifier. I don't know if I will use it, but I'll have a baby pacifier for baby Munch. And of course, diapers. Diapers for the baby and kind of diaper panties for me. Because apparently, for me, you're going to need them. So, baby Munch is not the only one leaving the hospital in diapers. Mommy too. So I'm going to have the adult version. And I will have that just in case I need them. I will have them with me. I'm not trying to be bougie. I want to be comfortable, and I want to make sure that I have all the necessary bits and bobs, okay? And then a friend of mine said, take a dark towel. I don't know what they'll have in the hospital, but I'll bring one just in case. I'll take a towel for me to wash, and I'll have a dark towel just in case. I'm not going to go further than that. Sensitive baby wipes. I don't want anything scented. I've talked about that. I have my list right here. I'm going with sensitive baby wipes, and that is it. The hospital can be cold in the evenings, so I'm bringing my beautiful blanket. Ula got this for me, and I love it so very much. It is so warm, so I'll just have this with me. I'll just throw it over my bed, you know, so that I can stay warm in the evening. Love this blanket. Then, of course, my little shower cap. I have to find the humor in it because I am nervous a little bit because I have enjoyed my pregnancy so much. I love him swarming inside of me, moving around. I love it, but that time is coming close where he's gonna come out, so I want to be fun. So this is my shower cap that I got at Max and Spencer. You see little bunny ears. Just to keep my hair dry. I'm not braiding my hair. I'm not doing anything. It's fine. It's grown. My nails have grown. It really is true. I cut my nails every week and my hair has grown like no man's business. So that is what is going to be in my maternity bag. If you have any other suggestions, just put them down below. I'll take my multivitamins with me, and of course I will have my good old flask with lots of ice. Keep me sane. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. I will make it. I know I will make it. Fumi, you'll make it. Women have been doing this from the beginning of time. You're no different. You're going to be fine. Pray for me still. And I hope the epidural kicks in so that I'm good to go. All right, I hope you enjoyed it, my loves. Leave all of your comments down below. Give me suggestions, what you think, for those of you that have had babies before. And I will see you in the next episode. Baby Munchie wants to say hi, and he says he's going to see you soon. He cannot wait. Bye, aunties. Bye, uncles. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my loves. Wish me luck.